Picture this. The emergency siren pierces the silence. Now, you have seconds, shattering seconds, to wrench one human soul back from the edge of oblivion. These are the words that would erupt from your core, words charged with power enough to set the very foundations of existence quaking. Your future kneels before you, begging, "Stop stealing your life." Every excuse you utter, every whispered later, steals a moment from the life you deserve. Picture yourself a year from now, staring into the mirror, crushed by one word: if only you'd started that day. I've drowned in the swamp of waiting, just like you, waiting for a magical wave, clinging to the myth of the perfect time. But the bitter truth, perfect timing is a deadly illusion. The antidote? Don't wait for motivation's spark. Forge the fire of discipline with your own hands. The biggest lie you tell yourself: staying put until you feel ready. Motivation is a fickle guest that comes and goes, but action, any action, is an unstoppable force. This is how real change is born, from a spark, not a cloud. So, here's the battle plan. 1. Choose one battle only. One tiny habit you cling to like a mountain. 2. Slay the do-everything chaos. Focus your power on a single point. 3. Shoot the perfection bullet in the head. Your target? Consistency, not perfection. Just show up on the field. Lace up your boots and run. Your confidence will be built step by step on the ground, not by dreams in the sky. Results? They'll chase you like your own shadow. This isn't a wish. It's a promise written in the blood of experience. Thank you for your priceless time. I hope the video was helpful to you. Your subscription benefits us and does not harm you.